Abrantie we ena eye the Christian guy ya wobetwa Prophet Muhammad a yechi oni Islamic preacher no ebomu no. Na in fact after omo arrest no Ghana ni bia ebuto ne yam say issue no justice ebe prevail. But enkami akoye se be bia asem ne ikono as a justice na ye hia no em prevail. De antina me kasa enkrofo mienu ena police fo achi omo. But to be very honest with you, send ye treaty Christian guy we no enye fair. Tie, ye say Endra CID honum. I have a video, make a video natural. CID honum. Police for around. Muslim guys are no more honum. Christian guy no ejina hoshe handcuffs in front of police. Islamic guys ne baako ejina nechi atimaye nsa abonasum in front of police up till anopawe. By the time I'm recording video we about 7:23 Ghana Police Service issue any statement to this. Sabre ya amenu kasai obia nyenka hwasem panyi bia nyenka hwasem ewo kurom ha. So does it mean say preaching na shake ni be preach so obi obe kasa tiankramusum yen chanity no wo ma start apply na because adia sa Muslim guys ni here in front of police ni kire say abranti we sonko muchi no wozongo nko mekunu hwe adia na ekoso wo Ghana no we are playing with fire by a name say ye di agura won na ekoso wo northern Nigeria no ebi besi Ghana not because obi a powerful chen obi but na ekoso no say Ghana leaders and share address this situation properly. Na yamfa ye antu ya Rwanda enkwasiafo mienu bi ne microphone na say Rwanda o unim sa nipa 2 na say Rwanda. Senye Sheikh we ni sa Christian guy asema stati ya stati bo Christian ya sumo police fo nchai say ya address this situation here Ghana ha peace and mimba ha say because this is very shameful. In front of police, maybe you video natural. O share video ni wia. Na afa ya proceed. Na ma chiro one Muslim guy our TikTok. Watch statement be ye be didi nkomo. Na ya humba be ye di asem ne betu. This happened in front of police. Shade ye guy no. What moral rights? What moral rights? And as a papa e was so betima bonasum. Krom ha even murder suspect. Murder suspect ye de obia wakunipa e de ni wura court krampa. Police for e guide nipa no. Nipa waku obi o ye suspect o. Police for guide no. Police for don't even allow for anybody to touch him because till say ye be proven guilty by court no or that's you a suspect. Inti Ghana Police Service mumbrambe explaining yesi yenchire one moral right na sa papa we was say obetimi ayi ne nsa abo abrante na so. Me I can never and ever support insult against Islam. Me nya sa de na da me say we a Christians na wo de dinkra musumat atema me support wo da. But has say no let's flip the coin. Na yemfa na say enkramoni na Kristo ni bi yi nsa bo na nka Ghana hade na bisi. We are playing with fire in this country. Asema me pese me kan nyina na say Ghana Police Service. Sa papa no yes ade no look for that man and arrest him. Sa papa no yes ade no menim ni pakura wo ye nobody is above the law. Na president pray investigate na just an ordinary person. Mesremu look for that man. Papa no nipa oye bia no ombra mba kire ne ntia obo sa abrante na sum. Ombra mba kire. You people should say Ghana police say one chi sa papa na meaning Meaning there's no justice in this case. Because like this cannot happen. Someone arrest this papa, we one deal with this situation here, one be explaining and your man Ghana for na muja say we man kwa. Then one take his side. Nipa wo handcuff ye di handcuff ahye nipa nsa. Edini gina police CID na wa be bonasum. One moral right and a war. Onku nipa onye kromfo ye chi nipa tu. Now what ma you unsa abonasum? Why are we doing this? Ghana ha religious war and see that. Religious tension NC or Ghana da. Yempese bibesi for so many years before say yebe wumi kurana Ghana yeni nkramufo ti asundwemu. And there are a lot of Muslims that they don't support this. There are a lot of Muslims who are peaceful. Mesremo yenuano mun nkramufo no mun kasa nkyere mun krofo no na wo mo mu behave sano. They should stop and let's live peacefully in Ghana. This is not right. Me support say Christo ni bia Shia Islamic ni bia onye ni bia. Nobody should do that. And so papa way nobody should say or retaliate. Nobody should retaliate anything. But Ghana police mun dealing with this issue. Papa no need any right. Wa hon Prophet Muhammad da. Papa no need any right. So betimi ayi ni sabo Christo ni naso. O need any right. Ghana mra bia ni we man okwan so betimi ayi sade no. Sa brantie we ni asi kire se omuchi ni zongo nko mbekunu. Let's be real here. This is not right. How can this happen in a sovereign nation like Ghana? Huh? Tie. This is a Muslim on TikTok. Tie. Put Christianity aside. Put Islam aside and apply your common sense. Ghana is not governed by Sharia law. These Hausa Malams should not have been allowed to be there in the first place. Their behavior is not different from the bandits in Nigeria. They are disgracing Muslim Ummah. Enough of this radicalism. I don't think these Malams are 100% Ghanaians because a typical Ghanaian Muslim is not an extremist. Why should that Malam slap someone who has been arrested by the police? My wish is that Parliament will ban religious debate in Ghana. It's irrelevant and a threat to our peace and coexistence. We are sitting on a time bomb. Christians and Muslims in Ghana are not enemies, but religion and extremism is bringing chaos between Christians and Muslims in Ghana. God bless our homeland Ghana. Ti asema papa ni kan o say a typical Ghana ni Muslim nyasa. Typical Ghana ni dagomba man na oye Muslim nyewe. Mampurisini onyewe. Wala ni onyewe. Wo mo mwachi free Mali ni Burkina ni Nigeria. Wo mo mwachi free chesi chiri no. Omuna yesa ade no. Omo mwachi free. Me say there is nowhere Ghana ni Muslim be yesa ade we. My friends are me work. 90% of them in Kramofo, I'm telling you. Yen Rabba friend say, okay, cool down. Nothing will happen. Was cool down. We are peaceful people. Me say 90% of my friends here in Kramofo. And to me, I don't hate Muslims. I love them. But yet say, asema papa we kano. Enya asema say di agro. Ghana ni oye Muslim enye sadie we. That's a fact. People address that statement with your friend Captain Jamal or TikTok. Go and check. Sa papa yo ye sadie we. Ube checki kurana na chi. Baby na chi free you can't say it. But enye no na ehu hia. Let's focus. This is not right. How do you do this in a sovereign nation? Obi a watam to abo obi trimu tuo mpo. Obi a wabo obi trimu tuo. Obi a waku obi kurampo ye de ne ko gina court a we suspect. Obi ani kwan so de ne sabe kana until say ya found ne guilty. Enti one moral right na ubebo obi asum in handcuff because of religion. When a mouse had to me no. Who gave you that power? Ghana police moon acted decisively on this issue. Ghana police, you people should act decisively on this issue. This is not right. Tie. I have seen the video of the arrested pastor in handcuffs, surrounded by a group of Malams, with one allegedly slapping him from behind. I don't support insulting Prophet Muhammad or any religion, but this is completely unacceptable. How can someone in Ghana police custody be surrounded, recorded, and allegedly assaulted by civilians who gave them access to a suspect in handcuffs? Imagine the roles were reversed. A Muslim in handcuffs surrounded by pastors are being slapped. The tension it could create in this country will be dangerous. Ghana police must address this immediately and explain exactly what happened. A suspect in police custody deserves protection, regardless of the offense he is accused of. Misreo, immigration officer Nina Yekuna Nana Damfu na suspect no. Your friend Bright no. One will say Bright. Ako court ha mo bi din za Canada. You see how our police for protecting the president no? Yes. Ghana mrani chire say obi a suspect. Na say nipa na ye fa na nipa na guilty kra ye de ni kwa jail. Ye di one say ya chi obi ajeli na ya bunu da. Eno na bongwe kan say yan Philippi kwan no na mfa na say Muslim guy na ya chi no. Ena some Muslim guy no ejina pastors anim na pastor na ba kwa yi ni sabo Muslim ka dia na ebesi Ghana. Let's be real in this country. Nobody is taking sides, but let's be real. This is not right. Me say Rwanda nipa 2 enkrofo mienu ena say Rwanda. Sa se ma si ya yedina ye na agro say am finding real justice to this issue. Now the tension escalate here. Who gave these Malams the authority to slap the pastor after he was arrested? So people can now attack others in the presence of the police just because of religion. Meanwhile, the imam was not cuffed or attacked by Christians. This is not right. Why? Abra Omanya Yetimino, the current president or a Christian nechi, and I say the parents are Muslims. President Mahama, I know say Nabushiamu, a lot of them are Muslims. Because Yenyanum Gonja Fwadi, a lot of them are Muslims. Into where Kran and Quebec Kaya Wabum say, your president, the background ye Islamic and or ye Christian. This should even unite us. This should bring us together. I'm telling you, this should Shanidino John Dramani Mahama. Dramani ne Mahama Ediandi, Enyan Kramodi. Enya John Nunkwan a Christian name. This should bring us together. Your president, ye Christian, and on a background, Islamic. This should bring us together, not to separate us. What is this? Yes, re. Ye no yanom nkramofo no mumma dwubrɛw embra. Nkramofo ne Kristofo ye nim tokwa ewo Ghana. Ye nku ntokwa. Eye sofo no na anhu na asɛm ka yi. Ena wanya asɛm na ya chi no. Ena sheik no so abɛka na asɛm sɛ ye chi obi a ye nku na ya chi no. Say ya chi san krofo mienu na embra no deal with the issue. But say embra no deal with the issue na ye kwanya third person. Na obebo suspect back was man. Na say justice and prevail here. Young citizens of Ghana, we expect Ghana police to issue a statement and look for Sa Papa no yes Adiano to arrest him. Since he wants to be third person in this issue, then he must be a third person. Now be explaining the reason into a suspect to handcuff mu na ya arrest him and na ye bonasum. This is not right. I just say you won't person will be tea no credit, but so person tea no credit. Yeah, this is the truth. This is not done anywhere. Are they? Share. Asema, you see, me video no me read the comments. Na asema na ebin mu kan say somewhere alleging say Sa Papa no born and so many police. That's what some allegation. There's no evidence. Encrophobic cases are papa no bonus me police ni. Say even we a police ni now we share uniform why you don't have that right. Na senka it is senka police ni echi kromfo age senka obuna anso de na kwagina court. Anaso de na ba police station. Even IGP a Ghana police for nyina hye ne nsem se kosua no. IGP yewura tete ye hunu kura ne right so we boss boy na sum. Yes, IGP himself yewura IGP tete ye hunu ne right or ne kwan Ghana law man kwan so be bona sum. What is this? Mr. President Mahama, talk to your interior minister. Yewura Muntaka Mubarak. You are a Muslim. You are the best person to address this. Talk to your people and let them stop this. Because I don't know mu yano and you fema this country. Yes, sir. Ghana leaders are mukabia muwom. Mun sore wakana mun dealing with such situation way before I escalate it. Ebe kura mun shamra bi say mo bia ntimi nkasa ntia ne yonku som. Because uko UAE as anetie. Say they be bring this problem way down near living in peace. Because near course we there ani. This is not good for our democracy. We can't be dealing with corruption. We can't be dealing with issues here. Not religion so din ho abegim. Religion dia mpana religion ayama Africa. A dear na religion ayama Africa. Say me fantastic tea na me ko religion. Why should I do that? Dear na religion just say ya the religion e chisa fit 19 kojo still ya brabo Africa. Ya brabo dear na religion ayama Africa. Ya the religion e since 19 kojo till date dear na religion ayama Africa. Why should I be fighting or hate another man because of religion? Why should I do that? Then say me time me yonko because of religion. Ade am me beti once a man from any hu me betan obi wo hu. Why? Ghana police look for that man and arrest him. Ade no ye no and send fata air time.